Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can exit from Netflix for kids. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app, or you can go to your Netflix website and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just choose your profile that you used to visit your Netflix with, and then you'll be in this particular platform. From here, where you need to go is, so guys, firstly just listen.
You're the guy from the bar.
There's no any option to exit from Netflix for kids. Instead, what you can do is you can delete that particular profile and you can reopen another profile. So how you do it, I'm just gonna teach you or guide you with this one. So firstly, just go to your profile option on your top right corner and then go to manage profile. So over here, this is the kids option. Let's say Netflix for kid. You go over here and then go all the way down. Then you can see this, there is delete profile. You can just delete it and then you can add a new profile, and that's how you do it. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.